Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Laura from Fountaindale Library, and I'm going to do a story today about colors. Okay, here we go. Take some strawberries and put them in a pot. Stir it, stir it, stir it a lot. Pour it out now, and what will it be but the prettiest red that you ever did see? Right? Strawberries are red. Take an orange and put it in the pot. Stir it, stir it, stir it a lot. Pour it out. Now what will it be but the prettiest orange that you ever did see? Take a lemon and put it in the pot. Stir it, stir it, stir it a lot. Pour it out. Now, what will you see but the, you guessed it, prettiest yellow that you ever did see? Take some limes and put them in the pot. Stir it, stir it, stir it a lot. Pour it out. Now, what will you see but the prettiest, what color? Green that you ever did see. Good job. Take some berries and put them in the pot. Stir it, stir it, stir it a lot. Pour it out. Now what will it be but the prettiest, what color? Purple that you ever did see. Let's see, what else do we have? Take some berries and put them in the pot. Here we go. Stir 'em, stir 'em, stir 'em a lot. Pour it out. Now what will it be but the prettiest blue that you ever did see? Look at those colors, right? Red and orange and yellow and green, blue and purple colors are seen. Put them together and what will it be but the prettiest rainbow that you ever did see? It's like magic. And that's the story of making a rainbow. Hope you enjoyed it. Boys and girls, with special permission from our friend Jim Gill, we are going to do one of his finger plays today called T for Two. And in this song, we are going to use the sign language signs for the numbers 1 through 5. So I'm going to show you what those are. 1, 2, 3. Now you'll notice that we are using these 3 fingers for the number 3 instead of these 3 fingers. That's the sign language sign for 3. 3, 4, and 5. And then we're going to take this number hand and we're going to put it on top of our other hand to make the letter T for the song. So let's see how that works out.
This little finger play, we make the letter T with our fingers and hand. Show 2 fingers on one hand and hold the other hand right in front of you like a straight line. Now, place the hand with 2 fingers showing on top of the other hand to make a T. We're ready to begin.
Here we go. T for 2 and 2 for T.
Another friend comes, and that makes
3 for T and T for 3.
Add 1 more, and that makes
4 for T and T for 4.
Should another friend arrive, that makes
T for 5 and 5 for T.
Everyone's welcome, it's a tea
It's a tea party. Let's do it again.
All right, now one more time. Show 2 fingers and make that T once again.
T for 2 and 2 for tea.
Another friend comes and that makes
3. 3 for tea and T for 3.
Add 1 more and that makes
4 for tea and T for 4.
Should another friend arrive, that makes
5. T for 5 and 5 for tea.
everybody's welcome.
Everybody's welcome. It's a tea party.